Today topic mechanical properties of fluids. So these problems here in exercise 2 page number 140. So problem number 1. Actually, two thigh bones each of cross section area. So two thigh bones each of cross section area is given, that is 10 centimeter square. Next, support the upper part of the human body of mass m is equal to 40 kg. So the average pressure sustained by the femurs, average pressure sustained pressure value means two thigh bones means knees bones. Here having area of cross section 10 centimeter square, mass of this human body, it is weighing on these thigh bones. What is the pressure? The pressure is equal to the force per unit area. That is here two thigh bones here. The pressure force will be acting for 2 unit areas. So therefore force by 2 into A. Force is equal to actually balanced by the weight by 2 into A area. So M is nothing but mass 40, G value here is not given. Take 10 meter per second square. So 10 divided by 2 into A area, convert into meters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 power minus 2 meter. 10 power minus 2 whole square meter square, that is 10 into 10 power of minus 4 meter square. So 2 into 10 into 10 power of minus 4. So here 0 0 get cancelled, 2 1 ja 2 2's. Therefore 2 into 10 power of minus 4 plus 1, 10 power of 5 Newton per meter square. This is pressure on the human body. So second one, actually fourth question in your exercise. So the figure shown that U-shaped tube. This is U-shaped tube. U-shaped tube having uniform area of cross section. Area of cross section is what is that? Same at both sides of the limbs. Accelerated in horizontal direction. This tube it is accelerating in horizontal direction. So and it is filled with what is that? Liquid. These two limbs are separated by certain distance, that is D. Next, this filled with liquid. So whenever this U-shaped tube it is accelerated forward direction, the level of the liquid will be false, and the level on this other side it will be raised. So this is H1 and H2. So next question is what is that? What is the level differences between these? What is that? Two limbs. Level differences. Asking question. H1 minus of H2 it is equal to what? Whenever horizontal tube it is filled with a liquid is accelerated in horizontal direction, what is the difference of the levels? The general formula is tan theta is equal to 2. So what is that? H1 minus of H2 divided by D, that is equal to A by G. So whenever a tube it is filled with a liquid and accelerated in horizontal direction, so the angle made by the liquid with the horizontal, this is theta. Angle is equal to what is that here? tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here h1 minus h2 divided by d, that is equal to a by d. Here h1 minus of h2 is equal to a into d divided by g. So then this next problem is, what is that, fifth one. Here a U-shaped cube, it is filled with a liquid having area of cross sections, one side of area of cross section, another side area of cross sections are mentioned. So area of cross section at one side, that is A1, area of cross section of this crystal other side is A2. Then force applied on this, what is it, a thinner arm, this is force F1, the force exerted by the fluid on the second one. So here F1 it is equal to 5 newtons and area is A1 is equal to 1 centimeter square. A2 is area of cross section of other arm, that is 10 centimeter square. And what is the force transferred to the second end? So according to Pascal's law, so the force acting on this other end is equal to A2 by A1 times of this, what is that, F1. So F2 is equal to A2 value 10 divided by 1 into force is, what is that, 5. Therefore F2 is equal to 50 newtons. Next, so sixth one. So this is two solids A and B. This is solid A, this is solid B. A and B are floating in water. So floating in water. Next, so the first body A is floats of its volume inside the liquid. Then second body is, what is it, 2 by 3rd of its volume inside the liquid. Then calculate the ratio of these densities, D1 is to D2. The densities of the two bodies we can measure. Actually, whenever body is floating in water, the apparent weight is equal to the original weight mg. That means V d g minus volume of body inside the liquid into density of the liquid into gravity. This is density of body, volume of body. So this is formula. Apparent weight is equal to original weight minus of buoyancy force. So whenever body is floating inside the liquid, then apparent weight is equal to 0. So that means original weight is balanced by the upward thrust, that is buoyancy force. Therefore V into dB into G, that is equal to V volume of body inside the liquid into dL into G. So therefore what is that? G get cancelled. G get cancelled. This is volume of body. VB volume of body, density of body, that is equal to volume of body inside the liquid into density of the liquid. So what is that? V1 by V1 D1, that is equal to V2 into V2. Actually D1 by D2, that is equal to V2 divided by V1. V2 is equal to 2 by 3 of V divided by, what is it, V by 2. Therefore V get cancelled. Then D1 is V2, that is equal to 4 is to 3. So this is the ratio of the densities. D1 is to D2. This ratio of densities of body and density of this, what is it? Densities of body, ratio of density of body and liquid. So density of body and liquid ratio. So here densities ratio, if we want to calculate the densities ratio of the two bodies, so here V1 and V is the volume of body, that is the density of this body 1 or A into G gravity, that is equal to V1 into dl into G by V volume of body, original volume of body, density of body of D into G, that is divided by V2 into dl divided by G. So dl get cancelled, G get cancelled, V get cancelled, G get cancelled, dB of A divided by dB of B, that is equal to V1 volume is V by 2 divided by then 2 by 3 of V, that is what is that? VV get cancelled, 3 by 4. This is 3:4. This is density of body A is to density of this body B ratio. Okay. A metal sphere, it is weighing in air. This is metal sphere is weighing in air. The weight is equal to what is that? 60 into 60 gram 10 power of minus 3 kg. G value is 9.8. So this is weight of this metal sphere. It is held in air, suspended by a thread in a oil. Suspended in a thread. Suspended with the help of this thread in a, what is that? Oil. This is oil. Now here tension, the specific gravity is given. Specific gravity of this oil is given, that is equal to means density of this what is that? Liquid, that is equal to 0. What is that? 6. 0.6. This is specific gravity of the liquid. Specific gravity of liquid. Next. So here next question, what is that? The tension in a thread, it is mentioned T is equal to tension in thread, that is T is equal to so 55 into what is that? Gram weight, that is 55 into 1 gram is 10 power of minus 3 kg into 9.8. So this is Newton, this is also Newton. Okay. Next, so the specific gravity of the metal sphere, the specific gravity of this, what is that? Metal. This is specific gravity of liquid. The question, right? So therefore, here whenever body is suspended inside the liquid, the apparent weight is equal to what is that? That is mg. W is equal to actually the tension T is equal to mg into 1 minus dl divided by dv. 1 minus of dl divided by dv. So T is the tension, that is 55 into 10 power of minus 3 into 9.8, that is equal to weight 60 into 10 power of minus 3 into 9.8 to 1 minus. This is density of the liquid. Here from this relation, what is that? Specific gravity is equal to density of this body by the density of the liquid at 4 degrees centigrade. Actually, so this is specific specific gravity of the liquid, that is in another form, that is specific gravity of this what is that liquid divided by the specific gravity of this what is that body. Another form. Therefore, what is that 1 minus specific gravity of this liquid, that is 0.6 divided by specific gravity of this what is that metal sphere or body you can measure. So here this get cancel. 55 divided by 60, that is equal to 1 minus 0.6 divided by specific gravity of this body. Okay, so 5 12s, 5 11s, right? 11 by 12, that is equal to actually 1 minus of 0.6 divided by specific gravity of this what is that body. Actually 0.6 divided by specific gravity of this body or material, that is 1 minus of 11 by 12, that is 1 by 12. Then what you are getting here, cross multiplication, specific gravity of this body, that is equal to here 12 into 0.6, so that is 7.2. Next, this video.